The Vulnerabilities dashboard exposes security gaps across your devices, enabling early detection, exploitability classification, risk prioritization, and proactive remediation before threats can escalate. This board shows one exploitable vulnerability out of total 33 vulnerabilities, and severity breakdown, critical to low, highlights priority. PC-035.earthblock.com has 8 vulnerabilities. Selecting it filters the board, exposing one critical vulnerability that was last seen 58 days ago, requiring immediate action. Right-clicking on this critical vulnerability allows us to drill through to the vulnerability detail board, which reveals its detail by providing URL containing public information related to that vulnerability. Vulnerability detail board also reveals its registry path, and below is its AI-generated description. In addition, Recommendations reveals its remediation, that upgrading version for Microsoft SQL Server will solve the issue, and Recommendation URL help us in downloading it.